So you want to buy the new MacBook, but don't want to pay Apple prices for extra storage? Luckily, there is Hybriddrive, an expandable hub with high-speed SSD. Hybriddrive is a feature-proof SSD storage with USB 3.1 Generation 2 hubanddock, providing up to 10 GB per second transfer speed. Hybriddrive offers 4 storage options at half the price of upgrading storage from Apple. Plus, you get a USB hub. Hybriddrive is the smart choice for anyone who needs extra storage. Hybriddrive is not just a hub for MacBooks. It can also connect with any USB-C devices with its specially designed detachable dock. It replaces all your dongles and solves your storage needs. It has a USB-C, HDMI, 2 USB-A ports, and an SD and TF card readers. It has a transfer speed of up to 450 megabytes per second read and write. It is fast enough to run a bootable drive for Windows or Mac. Hybriddrive is made out of impact-resistant plastics that is both light and strong. With superior internal design, Hybriddrive generates less heat compared to other hubs. Extremely portable and lightweight, Hybriddrive weighs in at just 56 grams. Hybriddrive, the only USB hub with high-speed SSD storage.